right, we are down in the basement here. Let me step back so you can see. We are doing full replacement on both of these units. We are right at the bottom of the stairs here. Looks like we might have some sort of walkout over here on the side. Both of these units, we're coming back in with the same size, but we're doing an 80% S8X1 here and an S9X1 here for the high efficiency. Both units have a 8x24 return on them, which we can reuse. Seven inches between the return drop and furnace, so we'll drop a 1210 for both. This one is exactly B width. This one's like 16.5. Line sets we're gonna flush. There's two old humidifiers on the back that we need to take off. Two bypass humidifiers here. Let's take this off. Little bypass humidifier over here. We do have a flue liner in place. We've got a 3-inch coming from the water heater. We've got a 3-inch coming from the second water heater. And then a 3-inch that's wrapping around from the furnace. Which I believe this is all 5-inch. Let me double check real quick. Obviously the other unit is high efficiency. It's 2-pipe, 2-inch going out. It's pretty good space around here. We'll send out 2 teams same day. It is pretty tight right up against here, but should be able to leave this in place.